As part of the HP integration, the Poly software for download process and location has changed. IT administrators needing to download software for their collaborative device deployment may navigate to support.hp.com. From here, highlight Products and select Poly Collaboration Devices. On this page, you will see product by support type: headsets, phones, and video conferencing. We'll select Meeting Room Solutions and the Poly Studio X52. Here, we select Software and Drivers, and then you will be presented with the PolyLens admin account. Select the blue button to access PolyLens. If you have not signed up for PolyLens, you'll need to sign up. If you have, then you can simply log in with your credentials. You'll be taken to the Software Versions page, or you may navigate under the Manage tab. Here, you can search for your device from the drop-down menu. You'll see the available software versions listed on the left in numerical order. Select your desired device and click the Download button. For additional information, such as release notes, you can access the Poly Documentation Library. Now you're set. You can administer, manage, monitor, and gather insights from your collaborative device deployment via PolyLens. Thank you.